In Flash, not only can you create filters, but you can also animate filters. If you're following along, go ahead and open up o3_animating_filters.fla in the Chapter 10 folder. On the stage here, I have a pretty simple animation of a shirt moving up and to the left and then holding until frame 100. What we want to do is make the shirt look like it's coming forward by giving it a drop shadow. So I'll go to frame 1, select the shirt on the stage, then add a drop shadow filter using the filters area of the property inspector. So here's the default shadow. I'll adjust it just a little bit by changing the strength to 50. I'll leave everything else the same for now. Now I'll go to frame 23 and we'll adjust the shadow to look like the object is farther away so it looks more like it's coming out at you. So I'll click on the shirt, then I'll start by adjusting the blur X and blur Y properties to 100. From there, I'll click in the distance field and adjust its value to 255. Now I'll decrease the strength to 25. Let's preview the animation now. Command Return on the Mac, Control Enter on the PC. Notice that the drop shadow disappears after the shirt comes all the way to the front. So in frame 24, I want to apply the exact same drop shadow settings to this object. Now I could apply the filter and then try to match them or type in the values manually, but that's a little bit ineffective. The quick way to apply the exact same values of a filter to another object or apply them to the same object on a different frame is to save those properties. So I'll select the movie clip on frame 23, and then I'll save the filter by clicking the Presets button at the bottom of the Filters tab. When you click that button, you'll see an option to save a filter by clicking Save As. So I'll click Save As. I can give this filter a name, so I'll call it Far Away Shadow. I'll click OK. And now the preset is saved so I can apply it to any other acceptable object. So I'll go to frame 24 and see the shirt here with no filter. So I'll select it again. And then in the Filters tab, I'll click the Presets button and then click Far Away Shadow. And there's that same shadow that I used in frame 23. Nice. Now let's test the movie and see the animation. Command Return on the Mac, Control Enter on the PC. And there we have it. So like any other property in Flash, you can animate filters as well.